Hi Laura, what do you do here at Spin Dogs?
Hello, Natasha. I am a marketing and communications executive.
But what do you actually do?
What do I actually do? So a big part of my role is to make a big splash about all the cool projects and the cool people that we have here at Spin Dogs. That's on a local and a national basis. It's also my role to create lots of opportunities for client engagement. So that's with our existing client bank and with new prospects as well. And that can take shape in many forms. So things like our event series, content creation, website management, PR, brand reputation, all that good marketing mix stuff.
What is your favourite part of your role?
I think my favourite part of my role is probably the autonomy that I have and the trust that I have kind of with that autonomy. So I think in the 4 years I've been here, it's very rare that I've been told no to any sort of new ideas, whether they're outlandish. I mean, we're not going to start a flash mob in Cardiff Central. But yeah, within reason, I can pretty much do anything. Given lots of opportunities to try new things, and if they don't work out, then that's okay. But yeah, just lots of opportunities to try new things and learn and improve.
What are you working on at the moment?
We're working on lots of good stuff. So it's a big week. It is Wales Week London. So Wales Week London is like a celebration of Welsh businesses, Welsh arts, culture, sport, all that good stuff. So myself and Head of Strategy and AI, Adam Smith, are going to be headed to London on Thursday to host a workshop for our clients about discovery and delivery. We've also sent our automotive lead, Kat, to Amsterdam this week. Her and our developer, Jeff, are there for the Laravel conference called LaraCon, which is a first for us. And then we're also working on a collaborative event with one of our housing clients who are based in Liverpool, which is going to be taking place in May. So between London, Liverpool, Amsterdam, we're all over the place, which is fun.
What advice would you give to someone who wants to be in a similar role?
My advice would be, that person's distracting me. My advice would be, don't be afraid to ask stupid questions. This is Sean.
Yeah, it is.
Don't be afraid to ask. Don't be afraid to ask stupid questions. In my time that I've been here, I think when I first started, I found it quite daunting working for an agency that has so many services, and there's so much to learn. And I kind of put a lot of pressure on myself to have an in-depth understanding of everything. When really there was no need for that. You know, there's a team of experts here for a reason. It's their job to know the in-depth stuff. And it's my job to pick their brain about it. So don't be afraid to ask stupid questions, be curious, be nosy, and what's my last point? Be curious, be nosy, and get on people's nerves. That's what I was going to say. Yeah.
Lush, thanks Laura.
Thank you.